Justice, Rita Garman. It's certainly a pleasure. I've watched her over the years, and it is a pleasure for me to stand here and work with her on this initiative. I'm also happy that Illinois was chosen to be the second state in the union to work with Pretrial Justice Institute. This is a really momentous occasion. I want to say, again, that my name is State Representative Carol Ammons. I represent the 103rd District, Champaign-Urbana. Why am I here today? I'm here today because this is not a press conference for me. This is a joyous, momentous occasion. It's a culmination of over 15 years of organizing and grassroots activism to reform the criminal justice system in my little circle. But I realize that that circle is much bigger than Champaign County. I'm excited today because we have the opportunity to make transformational change. Specifically, the last 5 years of my work included working to end the expansion of the Champaign County Jail. That was not because I don't appreciate the work of our Champaign County Jail. It is because upwards of 40% of people who are in our county jail are there pre-trial. We in our county are not unique. It's not unique in Champaign, it's not unique in Illinois. It is a nationwide issue. And we've built an incarceration system in this country that is extremely expensive and terribly greedy. We've manufactured a steady stream of people to fill it, whether they should be there or not. It is not my argument. What we have done, though, is created a system that is no longer sustainable and it is not smart. We need change, but that change needs to be a fundamental and a systemic change, which is why we've decided to partner with the Pretrial Justice Institute as well as with our Honorable Rita Garman to really work on this from all fronts. Regardless of crime, addiction, mental health status, we see empty beds and we're compelled to fill them. Champaign County spends $70 million a year booking an average of 8,000 people in our local jail. That's 70 million taxpayer dollars, of which I served on the county board at the time, that we could not spend on parks and schools, infrastructure, mental health facilities, our nursing home, or after-school programs, or anything else that's beneficial to our community. This goal today is to rewrite that narrative, to truly provide due process on a non-biased and non-racialized basis, not a risk-based system that is dependent on the amount of money you have to get out. This mentality is devastating. Poor communities, and certainly Black and brown communities, have felt this heavily. African American men are 2.5 times more likely to be arrested than their counterparts, but twice as likely to be detained. They also face bail amounts that are 35% higher on average than those given to statistically identical white men. And Latinos pay 19% more on average in bail amounts. We need to educate the public about the possibilities of how change can still equal public safety when we remove an unfair caste system of money bail that is not just. Crime is not a problem that we can arrest our way out of. We've seen this for decades, demonstrated, but we are in a position now to change it. We're wasting taxpayer dollars with our current system, and I'm excited that today provides the first step that we will take to really re-examine our pretrial system in Illinois. This initiative is allowing us to lobby the public in public, not behind closed doors, not just we the legislators, but it will include people who are also affected in the conversation. So I'm excited, again, to join the Pretrial Justice Institute, the Illinois Supreme Court, and the Administrative Office of the Courts on this initiative, and so many other stakeholders that are here and those who are not that will join this conversation. With their support, guidance, and leadership, I am confident that we will be able to not only make change for the state of Illinois, but we will again set the groundwork for progressive change throughout the country, and I'm happy, very happy to be a part of it. Thank you so much.